welcome to my channel, The Amazing Traders. How is your trading going and how are you coping with the trade? How are you coping with the up and down of the USD pairs? In this video, I'm going to be talking about the reason why USD pairs are not complying to our sell setup. That is for those that are swinging the market, just like me, like my colleagues. We are swinging. We are having bias to the GBP USD. We want to say the Euro USD, Euro USD, AUD USD. All of them were sinking. All the USD pairs were having a sell bias because of what the overall trend is a downtrend. So in this video, I'm going to be explaining the reason why it fails to happen as we predicted. So just stick close to the lesson. Please subscribe to my channel and also recommend your friend, as the information on this channel is going to help you stay profitably. I love you. I'm just doing this because of them. So with that much being said, let me just recap. In my previous video, please, if you did not watch my previous video, please do well to go and watch it so that you understand what I'm trying to say. In my previous video, how to trade GBP USD, AUD USD. This is it. Just go to my channel, just check, you'll see the video, just watch it. I was predicting GBP USD sell, AUD USD sell, and is it on Monday, on Tuesday, Wednesday the market comply to our direction, and we are currently in both. There is something that is still holding the market, and that is the reason I'm going to explain that. What is holding the market from giving up? What is holding the market from going to the, is it 600 pips or the 1000 pips that you are looking for? Now on the USD, pairs, GBP USD, you can see GBP USD. This is the weekly time frame. I'll quickly go to the daily time frame to explain this sharply. On the daily time frame, you can see that on Thursday the market broke a counter trend line. This yes, the counter trend line, a flag pattern that it was forming was breakout, and I was personally in on this trade, expecting to drop the market to. This was where I say when the market gets to here, at least it will show some forms of or some form of issue before the market starts shooting up. But I'm just surprised the market trying to spike back, giving us a bullish daily candle. But this bullish daily candle is as a result of the NFP on Friday. That came out, and the NFP result, it was negative. It was negative, so the market seems to react to that. But anyway, I'm still on this trade. We are still open to seeing the market to the downside. Yeah. And here the AUD USD, this AUD USD, when it broke out of the descent, wasn't looking nice. So I personally did not take it. So the only thing that I will be doing, I will only be waiting for it to, anytime it comes and breaks, yeah, that is when I will take the trade. On Euro USD is not part of my day. This one of the USD JPY. USD JPY is one of the trade. I took this trade. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame so that they can see very well. But on Friday the market came back and take me out. This is on Friday. It should be. Is it on Friday or Thursday? The market came back and took me out. I was in here when the market broke out. I was in, but getting here, I lock in. I bring my entry. I bring my stop loss to my entry. That is a break even, and I take out some position here because of the nature of the market, just to hold myself. When the market came back and the spike just took me out, so I'm out of this trade currently now. I think that I'm currently in. This is my watch list. So the Euro USD didn't do much. This gold, I was currently on gold, but gold comply. The second entry, my second entry on gold, was here, was just around here, and I hold the market to the 100% here. This was where I get out. I just leave that trade, and on Friday the market start reversing to the upside. I have no business with gold for now because I think I've done my best. I've taken out what I had to take out. So for now, I'm not trading gold, not until it breaks the 16,000 region, this yes, the 1600 region to the downside. That's where I will start looking for opportunities. That's for gold. Hero, on hero, yeah, hero didn't look nice. I didn't take it also. So the only trade that I took last week was the GBP USD, the USD JPY, and and which other one? That's gold second um, entry, and that was the goal I take. I think this mess up some persons here, so I don't have much to like explain it. So now let's go to the to talk about why is this thing just reversing? Why is all this pace that seems to like reversing, they're not complying? It's just as if they're trying to play with people's emotion. The reason is that as a result of this, I now come to my DXY, and what I saw on DXY, I feel is necessary and important for me to like do a video on it in order to explain what is currently going on the DXY. Yeah. Then currently on the DXY, the DXY, then the market was the DXY has been on a bullish move, and it has been on a bullish move. Let me say since the beginning of this year, the market, that let me say high, this low, this a higher high, and currently here was a higher low. And when the market shoots up here, this was where we cash 1000 pips on gold, and the market fails to comes to the 100% retracement. It now retraces back, breaking this low, and now forming this. And so now the market stops here. It's supposed to give us it's supposed to give us something, an equal low, an equal high, or a higher high. That's what we were expecting, but the market fails to do that. It came here, instead of giving us an equal low, it gives us should I say a lower low or something. But to my own explanation, this will be a Miami pattern. So now the market now comes back to this region, and now it was not going back. That was the reason why we now hope. Yeah, we now open thinking the market is ready to move, but that is that the market did not it fails to comply. The reason being that you can see on this trend line, on this counter trend line that is on top here, until the market breaks the counter trend line here to the upside, that is when we will be expecting the market, the all the pairs to move up to our expectation. But for now, if the market did not breaks the counter trend line to the upside, let's forget about it. The market come here, this is the first touch, this is the second touch, this second touch here, and this is the third touch of the trend line. And this third touch of the trend line seems to react the market to the downside, and currently the market closed with a bearish momentum daily candle. That was on Friday. So now we are waiting for the market to break, but we are expecting, what we are expecting the market to do is either for the market to either consolidate here. But I will not be surprised if the XY drops to touch this trend line and now breaks up to the upside. So that is our expectation. That is what we are currently expecting from the market. But now that's what we are expecting from the market. Then what are we expecting if the market is reversing? What are we expecting to see? Like how will we know that the market, that the XY is reversing, that the USD pairs are ready to reverse? That is GBP USD, Euro USD will start buying. For now, I'm still having a sell bias no matter what, not until the reversal pattern is confirmed. That is when I will start looking forwards to either start buying GBP USD, Euro USD, and yes, so on and so forth, all the USD pairs. But for now, I'm still having a sell bias. I'm 90% sure of a sell, not until that is confirmed. So now on the weekly time frame, you can see that on the weekly time frame is where I, I personally came to watch for a reversal pattern. Then now, before the market reverse, what are we expecting to see? What will we expect from the market? Now, the market on the weekly time frame now, on the weekly time frame, we can see the market movement. Let me start from this point. This was a high. Let me start from this point. This was a high, this was a low, this was a higher high, this was a higher low, this was a higher high, should I say a higher high, and this a higher low. Then now the market comes here. That's why I say I will not be surprised if the market comes to that trend line, because first of all we started from here. This is a touch, this is a touch, this is a touch, this is a third touch, is it third touch, and we are expecting another touch on the trend line. But if the market breaks this trend line, if the market breaks this trend line just like this, I will be expecting something like this, the market to break the trend line and comes here, then reverse and comes here to give us a head and shoulder pattern. I believe you know that by now, that head and shoulder pattern is the reversal pattern. And if the market give us a head and shoulder pattern, comes back to break the neckline, that's when I will start looking for a buy opportunity on the USD pairs. But without that, I'm still sticking to my sell bias. So this simply explain the reason. This simply explain the reason why USD pairs are still consolidating. Why USD pairs is not conforming to a sell bias as we are expecting. So now the USD pairs will not start selling now, not until the market breaks out of this flag pattern that is being flagged. The market will get the touch here, not until it breaks out of this flag pattern. If it breaks out of here, yes, I will be glad, and I will be glad and know that the 100%, at least the 100% retracement, or the 100% retracement on the USD pairs, or it will give us a lower low. So now this simply explains the reason why USD pairs are not ready to sell this period. This is just the simply that, and believe me, this is technical analysis. So technically, this is the reason why it's not conforming to access setup. So please subscribe to my channel and also recommend your friend. You know I love you, and you subscribing to my channel, this will help me to stay focused and also to bring you more educational video like this. Without much being said, thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Thanks.